Good morning, Tigers. Joining you for a cup of coffee this morning. So today I want to talk to you about the single biggest thing that you can do to become a better parent right now. And it's really simple. It's actually not something you need to do. It's something you need to stop doing. You need to stop doing and being all of the things for everybody, because I'm telling you now, it is a fast road to burnout and hell, right? So if you are currently struggling with your parenting role and you are like going, the quickest and easiest thing you can do is to stop and give yourself something. I mean, like I teach this all the time in my program, you cannot pour from an empty cup. And yet so often I am seeing parents juggling. You know, we have a hectic life anyway, right? We have the job and we have the kids, and some of you have partners or whatever. I don't have that added wheel and thing. But then on the other hand, I also have, you know, 2 children that I'm bringing up single-handedly whilst running a business. And it's impossible. You cannot do all the things, right? One of the things that you are going to have to do, the biggest thing that you can do is go and do something that you love. Take yourself out, okay? Stop being the wife, the mother, the parent, the person, the employee. Stop being all of those things and start being the thing that lights you up. What is the thing that you can't not do? What is the thing that makes you feel like you can fly, right? Is it singing? Is it dancing? Is it going for a run? Is it, right? If you don't bring that space or that joy into your life, you are not going to be a happy person, right? And I see this time and time again where people shelve their lives to become a mum, or they shelve their lives to become a wife. You know, it's not about giving up those things. It's about being yourself and then being a parent and then being a partner. Okay? Right. So if you could do one thing today, I talk about self-love, right? People talk about self-love all the time, and it's all very gushy and fluffy and all the things, right? But self-love is not a feeling. Self-love is not how you feel about yourself. It's not. Self-love is a behavior. Self-love is an action. Self-love is prioritizing yourself, your needs, your mental and emotional well-being above everything else. Because if you don't do that, the mothership is going to go down, and you're going to end up like, you can't have happy, emotionally, mentally healthy children if you are not happy and mentally and emotionally healthy yourself. That has to be number one. Like, you have a diary, you put something in it on a weekly basis, right? Is it meditation? Is it going out dancing? Is it going to yoga? Is it going for a singing class? Is it what the thing, right? And like, I understand that sometimes time and money can be difficult, but you know what? If you cannot have a meal, an apple will do. If you can't go for a singing lesson because it costs 40 quid, do something from the internet. Do you know, there's so many ways. Like, if I can't go to a yoga class, I will do 20 minutes yoga in my house, right? If I can't do it when my kids are up, like if I can't achieve the things that I want to do, I get up half an hour before they get up so that I can do the things that I need. Because if I don't do that, I am reactive. I'm not the parent that I want to be. I'm not the person that I want to be. And I'm definitely then not going to be able to raise a wholehearted and confident child. Do you know? Now, I speak from experience, having completely given myself away to everybody else. And I think as mums, we can be real people pleasers. We were raised like this, right? We were raised to say yes and to help everybody and to nurture everybody. But the person that you are not nurturing is the person that your children need the most. And that is you and your soul.